Welcome to Toronto. The local time is 17 minutes past 6 o'clock. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your baggage stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Smoking is not permitted. Mobile receiving and transmitting functions may now be used. Before leaving the aircraft, please check to ensure you have all of your electronics. If you are connecting to a domestic flight today, please note that you must claim your checked baggage and clear customs at the first point of entry into Canada. Reclaim your baggage at the carousel and proceed to the airline transfer desk to drop it off prior to proceeding to the departure area for your next flight. In preparation for arrival, we would like to remind you to keep physical space between yourself and other customers when deplaning. Thank you for choosing Air Canada, member of Star Alliance, for your travels today. We hope you've had a pleasant flight and look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and good night. Bienvenue à Toronto. Il est précisément 18h10. Les recordamos que está prohibido fumar. Ahora se pueden usar las funciones de transmisión y recepción de dispositivos. En preparación para la llegada, nos gustaría recordarle que mantenga el espacio físico entre usted y otros clientes mientras desembarque. Gracias por elegir Air Canada, miembro de Star Alliance, para su viaje el día de hoy. Esperamos que haya tenido un vuelo agradable y esperamos verlo de nuevo muy pronto. Gracias y muy buenas tardes.